About Bitcoin, man. Like Bitcoin, I just looked at Bitcoin, at the price of Bitcoin. Looks like Bitcoin's trying to hit its resistance. It's really on this resistance, which is like 4,000. I smell a bull run coming. How far out is this bull run? Who knows? It might break out past the $4,000 mark again. That's like pretty much just resistance. So definitely watching Bitcoin. Like, you should be watching Bitcoin from today, which is, I think March 8th or March 9th. Today is Friday, all the way up to, next year and beyond, because the Bitcoin halving is supposed to be in May 2020. So a lot of people in the cryptocurrency space knows this. Usually when the Bitcoin halving happens, the price of Bitcoin just goes up exponentially, right? This is not going to be any different. Bitcoin is going to go from its current price now, which is its bottom price. I think the bottom price of Bitcoin is about $3,000, $3,100, $3,200. It hasn't got lower than that. I've been waiting for it to get lower, hoping that it got lower so I could scoop some up. I really want to get a lot of Bitcoin, at the cheap price. So, but I think this is it. I don't think Bitcoin is going to get any cheaper from here on out, because like I said, the Bitcoin halving is happening next year, May 2020. A lot of people in the cryptocurrency space knows this, so people are going to start preparing to really buy a lot of Bitcoin. And then once that happens, a lot of people is going to pretty much not sell it, right? If they do sell it, they're going to want to sell it at a premium. So that's going to be another reason why. So it's just something to keep your eyes on. As you guys can see, I'm in the car, so I'm actually out here like El Dorado Hills. So Sacramento and El Dorado Hills is like I want to say about 25 minutes apart. As you guys can see, the skyline. So I like coming out here just to ease my mind. This is like my little hideout spot, but definitely these are $1 million homes up here. I'm gonna drive so I can show you guys the homes, hopefully a few shots of the homes. But look at that skyline, man. That skyline is dope. That skyline is pretty crazy. You can see the city of Sacramento all the way. Let me see if I can zoom in here. Zoom in a little bit so you guys can see that the city. So the city of Sacramento is right there, like the furthest back where all those clouds, where those mountains at, and that's where Sacramento is at. Like literally, this is the whole skyline of Sacramento. The weather's pretty nice. It's pretty dope right now, so it's good. It's actually a good time to film up here. So let me show you guys a few homes. Let me fix this back. Okay, so let me show you guys a few homes, $1 million homes up here. Hopefully, I can buy one of these homes soon, because definitely is really nice up here. It's nothing but millionaires up here, I think. So let me put my seatbelt on. Beautiful day, man. I tell you that, it's beautiful. So let's go up here. Let's see what homes they got, so you guys can see this stuff, man. Look at these homes. Look at that one. That one's like way up there. This is another home right there. They got another one coming up. These are big $1 million homes, man. So this is where I'm trying to work my way up. Eventually get something like that, man. These are California prices, so you can just imagine how much they're asking for these homes up here. So let me bust a U-turn. Look at this home right here, dope. I like that. That's nice. I like that design. Some more homes here. Another one there. So yeah, man, look at these homes. Homes is crazy big out here. So let me bust a U-turn, because they got the homes back where I was at, down that little slope. They got a lot more homes. That looks pretty good. That's the skyline. Everything is just a beautiful day today, man. Somebody's building their home right there. So yeah, man. beautiful day to vlog, to do some recording. The sun is out. Yesterday it was just, you know, it was really had a lot of forecast, you know, with a lot of clouds and stuff like that. Even in San Francisco is always like overcast with the forecast and things like that. So always cloudy and windy and rainy. But yeah, so I'm going down the slope here now. So these are more homes. So just to show you guys the scenery out here. That house is pretty dope. I like new looks. I like new designs and stuff like that. So who knows? Maybe if we hold a lot of Bitcoin, maybe we could purchase a home in Bitcoin up here, right? How dope would that be? So yeah, man, just $1 million homes, man. These things are mansions out here. I don't know how much they're going for, but a lot of people up here, a lot of people retire up here. So a lot of people out here come from the Bay Area, believe it or not, and they come up here because they sell their price in Frisco or in the Bay Area because, you know, the price is expensive out there. You know what I'm saying? They get a bang for their buck if they take that same money left over and, you know, build a home like this. So it's crazy, man. So just different homes, man, different sceneries. It's really good to get out and, you know, and record, because I really want to do a lot more vlogging for you guys and get you guys inspired, man. Like, you know, keep chasing your dreams no matter what it is, and maybe you get a home like one of these. So big house all down this block. So yeah, that's enough with the recording today. I just want to give you guys a look and just talk to you guys a little bit about the price of Bitcoin. Bitcoin's hitting resistance right now, so definitely watching that, and hopefully I can capitalize on this game. Definitely gonna be more prepared for the bull run this year. So yeah, very excited, man. So let me put this camera down. Finna drive back to Sacramento, and then yeah, enjoy the rest of my day. Hopefully you guys enjoy your days as well. Yeah, and keep paying attention to the Bitcoin price. It's not going to get any cheaper than this from here on out. If it does, buy more.